everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing a less is more makeup look today. And yeah, this was requested by one of my viewers and I figured why not? This is an everyday type of day for me. I'm just literally staying here doing laundry. I'm going to a doctor's appointment later. You know, whatever. I'm going to try to do as least amount of product as possible. Normally I like to either not do my makeup at all or go all out with it, but since this was requested, I'll just do like maybe like an everyday kind of work, like fast food kind of workplace look. Let's get on to the video. First, I'm going to start off by using my Morphe continuous setting spray just to basically moisturize my face to prep the skin. So only thing I'm going to use today is my concealer, and I'm going to use this basically all over just like a foundation. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So if you made it this far and you're still watching, if you want extra entries on the upcoming giveaway, just put these spider emojis in the comment section below with your comment. As you could tell, I used my ColourPop No Filter Concealer basically all over my face like a foundation, and I also used it to prime my eyelids and to cancel out any veins in my eyes. I used it as a concealer, pretty much all over type of coverage. And now I'm going to use my Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation to set the whole face and also to set the eyes. Just to set this in the skin a little bit more, I'm going back in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray just to melt this in my skin a little bit better. And I don't know. Alright, you can tell that it's really just looking flawless. Like no cake face, no it doesn't look heavy on my skin anymore after doing that, and I actually did use up the rest of that Morphe setting spray. So for now on, I'm using this Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist. I can't really tell what that brand is actually called. I want to say Pearlescence brand, but yeah, I got this one from TJ Maxx in that haul that you recently saw. It retails for $12 and I got it for $7.99 at TJ Maxx, and this is a cruelty-free brand and it's good for 24 months. So I actually just had this in the refrigerator. I've already used it a little bit, but not for, you know, an everyday use yet, but that's my next go-to now. For my eyes, I'm going to actually use my contour because we're trying to use less products. But I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I hate the packaging on this. As you can tell, it broke. But I repressed this, and yeah, I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow basically. Alright, and that's what my eyeshadow looks like so far using that Park Avenue Princess contour powder. Now I'm going to use my Laura Geller New York Lash Boss mascara, and I'm going to coat my eyelashes with it. Alright, and now I am using my Burt's Bees blush in the color Toasted Cinnamon. Now I'm going back in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess and using this color for my actual contour. I'm doing a very, very like natural contour. As you can tell, I just basically warmed my face up using it like a bronzing powder, basically, not contouring. Now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette, and I'm using the color Cypress Umber, which is this matte brown color over here. And you can use any matte brown you have in your collection. And I'm just filling in my brows with a angled pencil brush. Now I'm going to coat my bottom lashes with the same Laura Geller Lash Boss mascara. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop lippie pencil in the color Wild Nothing and just filling in my whole lip. And now just pretend this is the Morphe setting spray. You don't have to use 2 setting sprays. I just ran out of the Morphe one at the beginning. So now I'm going in with that rose water just to set the face even more and let it melt in the skin a little bit more. This is a really great tip for when dry skin girls use powder products or matte products. Like this is a matte lip, so it just helps hydrate the face. Alright, that's the end of this Less is More makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I didn't use but less than 10 products. See, I started off with the Morphe setting spray, which we're just going to count this as one just because I would have used the Morphe continuous setting spray throughout my makeup look, but I ran out. So, but yeah, so I used one, the Morphe setting spray, the ColourPop No Filter Concealer 2, the Tarte Park Avenue Princess 3, the Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation 4, the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara, and that's 5, The Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush is 6. The brown eyeshadow from the Modern Renaissance palette would be 7. And then I think the only other product I used was my lip color, and that was the ColourPop lippie pencil in Wild Nothing, and I think that was my 8th product. Yeah, I believe that was it. Just 8 products to make this makeup look. It's like an everyday nice less is more makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed it. My giveaway ends in a few days, so I hope you entered that. You still have time to enter if you're watching this the day this uploads. If not, I will have some smaller giveaways coming up on my videos next. If you don't win that one, then don't be discouraged. I think I'm gonna do smaller giveaways more often. I think I might possibly do, like, after the giveaway video, I plan on putting like a little products in every video of mine for a giveaway. So it'll be like US only or whatever after this big one. But I do plan on doing more big giveaways in the future, maybe on every milestone of subscribers. I'm not quite sure yet, but I do plan on doing more giveaways. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!